Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Damn, boy.
Nice.
Hi, I'm Sonic.
Allow me. Hey now. Greetings. Surely someone needs healing.
Come to Hulk!
Stop hurting people, Brainiac.
We should attack here!
Yahoo!
Hello there.
Okay, let's go.
Hit this spot with everything you have.
Lights out!
This is the place. Attack!
Nice.
That was easy.
Form up around me.
Yoink.
It's teamwork time.
You can do it!
No.
Pulse reactors take a minute to charge, okay?
Nice.
Pulse cannon recharging. Almost charged. You might want to stand back.
Yeah, baby.
Pulse cannon's almost ready. Now we give the people what they want.
Lights out!
Now we give the people what they want.
Okay, let's go.
You can do it!
Full power. Let's go.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Never mind.
Stand strong, gang. Defensive maneuvers.
Oh, hell no.
Now's a good time to leave. Good time for a tactical retreat.
Here we go! I'm ready!
Anyone got some spare circuits?
Hell yeah!
I'm ready!
Some help maybe?
Yahoo! Here we go!
Need some repairs? Fast!
Oh, hot.
Here we go!
Any medics around? Found them. Follow my beacon.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
So, this is where they've been hiding.
Bye, have a great time!
No.
I wonder why I'm wondering about that. This is why I have webs. Who wants part of this track? What? You can do it!
Yeah, baby.
Wow! Very impressed. Slow down, you're making me angry.
Hell yeah!
I gotta put in as many hours of the bugle as I can. Those webs cost $10. But man, is J. Jonah Jameson a soulless creep.
Here we go!
Hell yeah!
He would dress his mom up as a Wolverine and take pictures if he thought it would sell papers.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Are you kidding me with this? By the way to use your free time constructively. You didn't get to the bank on time today? Didn't your mother teach you it's not nice to steal? Unless your mother put you up to this. Unless your mother put you up to this.
Okay, let's go.
That was easy!
I get the feeling that money doesn't belong to you.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, no, maybe. How about stop? You're not getting away. Hey, you with the issues. I hope you appreciate me coming here to smack you around for being cool.
Hell yeah!
Here's where we do our thing! A good place for some action!
I mean, I am an A-list superhero. I usually fight guys with metal octopus arms.
Here we go!
Okay. We have to stick together! Stick together!
Yoink!
You're a big step down. Okay, how about this? Stop, evildoer!
Oh, hell no! We should attack here! Move! Bring the battle here! Join as one!
You can do it! Woo! Yeah, baby!
Our hunger will return soon enough! Hell yeah! Our hunger is growing! Can't hold back much longer! We are almost ready! Time to feast! Supper time! Defend this place! Okay, let's go!
Here we go!
Hell yeah!
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Here we make our stand! We must flee! We need to regroup! Help us! We require assistance!
Here we go again.
We're in bad shape here! We could use some help!
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
This is where they are! You will find our enemies here!
Okay, let's go.
Yahoo!
Greetings! Hello there, of course! Hell yeah!
Nice.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Yes, feeling good! Never been better! We are struggling!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay.
We're barely holding on! Thanks for that! We are in your your debt.
Damn, boy.
Hell yeah!
Nice.
We should attack here. Bring the battle here. Gather together.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
You can do it!
Join us one.
That was easy! You can do it!
Nice.
Here we go again.
Nice.
Our hunger will return soon enough. Our hunger is growing.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Can't hold back much longer.
That was easy!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Nice one. Oh, hell no.
You're almost ready.
Damn, boy!
Supper time.
Nice.
Defend this place.
Damn, boy! You can do it! That was easy!
Here we make our stand.
Yeah, baby!
We need to regroup.
Damn, boy!
Help us. We require assistance.
Oh, hell no. no.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Okay, let's go. We're in bad shape here. Aye! We could use some help.
Okay.
This is where they are. You'll find our enemies here.
Damn, boy! Here we go! That was easy!
Greetings.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Hello there. Of course. Nope. Yes. Feeling good.
Damn, boy!
Nope.
Let's try all that again.
Never been better. We are struggling. We're barely holding on. Thanks for that.
Victory screech!
Welcome and enjoy this day.
Hello there.
Damn, boy!
Oh my god! Wow!
Damn, boy!
Nice.
Here we go!
Okay, then, I'll see you around.
Okay, let's go.
I'm from another dimension. Wouldn't say he's my best friend, Peter Parker.
Nope.
I'm from 주문해도 되면.
Gosh, pal! Looks like you've been having some pretty big adventures since the last time I saw you. Here we go! Wow, I hope I get the chance to spend time with everybody today. Bye-bye!
Yoink!
Hot dog! It's great to see you again, pal! Make sure you catch the fireworks tonight! Yahoo! They're gonna be a blast!
Bye, have a great time.
What? Oh, hell! Fastest man alive, ready to go.
Okay.
Be there in a flash! Be there in a flash! Back in a flash!
Bye-bye!
Back in a flash!
Hell yeah!
Speed force! I can nearly touch it! Won't be long now! Here now! Oh yeah!
Okay, let's go.
Hal, I think you should charge your ring or something. Go charge your ring or something!
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
I got your back, Hal.
Hell yeah!
And I'll scout him out too.
No. Okay, let's go.
Damn, boy. I got your back, Hal, and the flanks, and I'll scout him out too.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Got your back, Hal. Got your back, Hal.
Wow!
Yoink. Got your back, Hal.
Here we go!
Nice.
So, Mr. Jordan, are you ready to right some wrongs? That was easy. Are you ready to right some wrongs? Damn, boy. I trusted you. That was easy. I trusted you. Hey, Cyborg, I think you need to charge your batteries. Hey, Cyborg, I think you need to charge your batteries. Teamwork is the name of the game, Cyborg.
Nice.
Hell yeah!
Oh, hell no! Teamwork is the name of the game, Cyborg.
Okay, let's go.
We got him, Vic! That was easy! We got him, Vic!
Nope.
Let's try all that again. Got a stopwatch installed, Cyborg? Let's see how fast we can beat these guys.
Nice.
Got a stopwatch installed, Cyborg? Let's see how fast we can beat these guys.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Same team, Vic!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
After all we've been through. Slowpoke, try again! Wow! Slowpoke, try again! That was easy!
Nice.
A new personal best! A new personal best! Yoink! 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 I'm running circles around these guys! I'm running circles around these guys! That was easy!
Hell yeah!
You're roadkill!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Yahoo!
Faster, better, stronger! Damn, boy!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, man! And you thought I was fast before. Coming through.
Okay.
Here we go! In a flash! In a flash!
Nope.
What?
No! Okay.
They won't catch me.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
You can do it!
What the dog doing?
Fastest man alive coming through.
Yahoo!
Aye! Damn, boy.
Welcome and enjoy this theme.
Hello there.
Damn, boy.
Oh my God! Wow!
Damn, boy.
Nice.
Here we go!
Welcome!
Let's go!
Are you kidding me with this? By the way to use your free time constructively.
Okay.
Are you kidding me with this?
Okay.
Way to use your free time constructively. You didn't get to the bank on time today? Didn't your mother teach you it's not nice to steal? Unless your mother put you up to this. Unless your mother put you up to this. I get the feeling that money doesn't belong to you.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
I don't know. Drop your weapons and step away from the money?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Yeah, no, maybe. How about stop?
Let's go.
Okay.
I hope you appreciate me coming here to smack you around for being a tool.
Here we go!
I mean, I am an A-list superhero.
Here's where we do our thing.
Okay, let's go.
A good place for some action. Let's go. We have to stick together. I can only do it so often, okay? Hang on, the cool stuff takes time.
That was easy.
Oh, just stop. Evil bad guys!
Damn, boy.
Yeah, you with the gun. I said stop.
Damn, boy.
Okay, let's go.
What the hell do you think you're doing? You can't just hit people. Who do you think you are, Spunky? So this is your idea of a night out on the town?
Nope.
It's clobbering time! Enough said?
Nope.
I needed a workout, not to worry.
Let's go.
This is a job for your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Okay.
I don't have my license, and even I know you're not supposed to drive like that.
Hell yeah!
Yoink.
See? And this guy's gonna cause an accident.
Okay, let's go.
Who does this guy think he is? What a jerk! Pull over before you hurt someone.
Oh, hell no!
Stop hurting people, Brainiac. He wasn't wrong about everything.
Hell yeah!
You calling me soft, Bane? Strong, protect the weak.
Nice.
Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time.
Forget I'm bulletproof?
Nope.
Faster than a speeding bullet, remember? Something should teach you something then. This world needs my protection. I'm done holding back.
What are you aiming at?
What?
Tap out if you need to. You can't have Earth, Brainiac. My fists have a better idea. Casualties of war. Guess good help is hard to find.
Okay, let's go.
This won't be a fair fight.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Let's go.
That was easy.
You're acting like a teenager.
Yoink.
I'll break you, Bane. What are you saying?
Nice.
Diana, that only makes it worse, Harvey. Don't hold your breath, kid. You can't outrun me, Barry.
Here we go!
Come on, old man. I hate clowns. Get with the program. You two need time apart.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Here we go!
Only you could cut a deal with the devil.
Damn, boy.
Stop pleading and fight. Only I can rid the crime. You don't own anyone, Brainiac. What do you do exactly?
Hell yeah!
Now you have cold feet. Careful what you wish for. Everything isn't a competition.
Yahoo!
Yoink!
Nice.
Yoink!
Then you know you can't win.
Let's go.
Like that!
Time to grow up.
You can do it!
Nice.
Oh my god!
Let's try all that again.
Nice.
Damn, boy!
You'll need more than gas and a mask.
Yoink!
I wouldn't threaten you, Doctor. If we fight for real.
Here we go!
Let's warm up, Victor. You're ending our alliance. You should run.
Like that!
Selena, should I call Diana?
Yahoo!
Another of Bruce's pet project.
Nope.
Finally met your match?
Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Hello there.
Here we go!
Everyone attack! Attack here! Join Hulk! Come to Hulk!
Nice.
Monster Hulk not ready!
Yoink! Here we go! Bingo! Here we go! Ho 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 ho! Mamma mia! Wow 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 wow! Yeah! Yoink!
I'm Luigi.
Yoink.
Hell yeah!
Number one.
No? Unless they go into another dimension.
Okay, let's go.
Exactly. Now let's make our own tornado.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Nope.
You can do it!
We have to go faster than the speed of light.
Let's try all that again.
I think Mary and Uncle Dudley were stepped into.
Nice.
Damn, boy.
Whenever I was out there facing down the bad guys, I'd think, what would Superman do?
Okay, let's go.
Here we go.
Damn, boy.
Nope.
I'm a green, mean fighting machine. Guess you need to learn the hard way.
Nice.
Yoink. Yoink.
Don't get on an ogre's bad side.
Oh, hell no!
Here we go.
Damn, boy.
Fastest man alive, ready to go. Fastest man alive, ready to go. Be there in a flash.
Nope.
Back in a flash.
Nope.
Back in a flash. Go charge your ring or something. I got your back, Hal. And I'll scout him out too. Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Yahoo!
I got your back, Hal. And I'll scout him out too.
Let's go!
So, Mr. Jordan, are you ready to right some wrongs?
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
James B. Sullivan at your service.
Here we go!
It was a total team effort today.
Yahoo!
Yoink!
Oh my god!
Nope. The record's in the bag.
Yahoo!
Of course, I did learn from the best. Okay. Laughter is the best medicine.
Here we go!
Of course, I did learn from the best. Looks like you may be out of a job. Something's definitely not right here.
Yahoo!
Victory screech!
Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Hello there.
Boy!
Oh my god! Wow!
Nice.
Show some respect. I am Batman.
Here's where we do our thing.
I'm a green, mean fighting machine! Oh!
Here we go.
This is the place. Attack.
Okay.
Hit this spot with everything you have.
Here we go!
Okay.
It's teamwork time. Nice. Form up around me.
Nope.
Pulse cannon recharging.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Here we go!
Pulse reactors take a minute to charge, okay? Almost charged. You might want to stand back. Pulse cannon's almost ready.
Hell yeah!
Nice. Now we give the people what they want.
Damn, boy!
Full power. Let's go.
Oh, hell no!
Hell yeah!
Okay, let's go. Stand strong, gang. Defensive maneuvers. Now's a good time to leave.
Yahoo! Here we go!
Good time for a tactical retreat. Anyone got some spare circuits?
No. Monster Hulk not ready.
What?
Okay. Gamma energy low.
Oh, hell
monster is about to come out of its cage!
Bye, have a great time.
Yoink.
Hell yeah! Gamma energy growing!
Damn, boy. Here we go!
Ready for monster? Ready to meet the monster? Hell yeah! Defend this place! Defend here! Hulk will retreat!
Yoink.
Hell yeah! Should get out of here!
What?
Stop hurting people, Brainiac. He wasn't wrong about everything. Calling me soft, Bane?
Yoink.
The strong protect the weak.
Here we go!
Okay!
Forget I'm bulletproof. Faster than a speeding bullet, remember?
Yoink.
Somebody should teach you some manners.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
This world needs my protection. I'm done holding back.
Here we go!
Tap out if you need to. You can't have her, Brainiac.
Hell yeah!
Nice. Here we go!
My fists have a better idea. Guess good help is hard to find.
You can do it. Let's go.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay, let's go.
This won't be a fair fight.
No.
You're acting like a teenager.
Oh, hell no!
What? I'll break you, Bane.
That was easy.
That only makes it worse.
Hell yeah!
Don't hold your breath, kid. You can't outrun me, Barry.
That was easy. Damn, boy.
Only you could cut a deal with the devil.
Here we go!
You don't own anyone, Brainiac. What do you do exactly? Now you have cold. Be careful what you wish for.
Yoink.
Everything isn't a competition.
Hospital records show he suffered with alcoholism, most probably brought on by the breakdown of his marriage.
Here we go!
He was last seen in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Or I'll start with your fingers.
We have to make sacrifices now.
Nice.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
The inscription reads, Ophelia. The victim had a hip replacement.
Here we go!
That was easy.
Scar tissue hasn't fully healed, so it must have been recent. Deformity on the left ear. Looks like a result of minor ear agenesis.
Damn, boy. Get out! Yoink!
Birth defect. Firefly. He's going to pay. Time to find Scarecrow.
Hell yeah!
Boy.
Okay.
Writing by the body suggests the killer has a higher purpose.
Nice.
When I've taken them out, I'll be back. Alfred.
Watch out! You're gonna crash!
That was easy.
Wrong answer. Wait here.
You can do it!
I need to get closer.